Hello YouTube, we need to repair our diamond disc grinder. It is vibrating. There is rubber mounted under here. And there you can see the rubber sticking out. So we need to find the right size sockets and everything, the wrenches, and take this off here. First we're going to take this off. It's just an Allen screw. Take that away. Sorry about that. I'm blinding everybody. Okay, well, you'll see as I take it apart. Okay, we found at least two things wrong. These bolts were loose. It's a permanent magnet motor. Then we'll stick to it. And this bracket's loose. See that? Welding on the motor. And that just has some screws to it. So we're going to get out our Loctite for that. And we'll be Loctiting these. Boy, talk about hard to get to down there. There's 7mm head on that and 10 on these is easy. But the 7mm, you gotta have a wrench on end with the open end to get down to that bracket. And this bracket's made just, you're not gonna get it off here, you'll ruin it. Bracket's been exactly around the motor. So we'll come back when we decide what we're gonna do. We do have some different foam. Remember, this has a set level, or it won't be level to the table. I think you know what I mean. Okay, we decided, since the bolts were loose, we're not going to change anything. We did put some tape on there so those don't fall out. We're trying to put the bracket back in. We will Loctite them bolts. We Loctited the bolts. Screws going in here. We stood this up on end for 15 minutes so the Loctite would stay near the threads. We're going to start putting it back together. Hope for the best. Because if this ain't shim right, there's no adjustment on this table to make it square. And it was square when I built it. So here we go. Back to work. Let's talk. Okay, tools I use real quick. My homemade nut driver. It's got an extension goes there. Really nice screwdriver I redid. This is a box I keep my parts in it. That is a diamond wheel that goes on there. Diamond drum thing. It's brand new. It's never really been used. The blades alone, them 6-inch plates, they're 25 bucks a piece on the internet. So it's not cheap to buy plates for them, so I don't know what that would cost. Back to work. Okay, it's pretty smooth, nothing on there. You can feel a little vibrating, not normal. This plate, the hole is not good enough in here. I've always complained about this white piece of plastic. The hole is not machined properly, so this bushing never centers in there well. It centers in here well. I don't feel like taking it apart to show you. I know you know what I mean. This goes through the nut, holds it, and then the set screw holds it to the shaft. So I think you can figure that out. I think you get the idea. Okay, you've all seen this square block. It's square enough for me for what I do. Okay, let's turn it on. It's going to vibrate a little bit across the table. It used to sit on a rubber mat, and I can C-clamp it to a table. So here we go. Here's my Variac. We're running at about, I don't know, I can't tell. About 70 volts. We'll take it up and down. I never run it that slow, you can get no work done. And I never run it any faster than, that's way too high, see? See it move? If I'm running super high, I'm running about right there. About 3/4 throttle. Watch where your hands are. This is not OSHA approved. Build this at your own risk. It said it needs to be on a rubber mat. Or clamped down. There you go, we're done. We're happy with that. It's not bad. I said that white plastic wheel does not center on the arbor is most of the problem of it not being balanced. It's not a perfect machine. You can set her right here. Let me hold the camera steady. You get the idea. It's not perfect. It'll do. Just a grinder. Thanks for watching.